select the billing option around the bottom left of the screen. Then choose Invoices option to open the list of your invoice on Stripe. To see your older or past invoice, you can scroll down and search it manually, or you may use the filter to make it easy. To do that, you can go and click on the Created button and insert the specific year, month, or any date that's in your mind. For example, we may search the invoice that was sent 3 years ago by putting on the last 36 months, then click on the Apply button. After you find the specific invoice, click on it to open it. And you may scroll down to view the invoice details. Or you can also download the invoice as the PDF version by clicking on this button. Or if you don't find it there, then click on More Actions button at the top right corner and select Download PDF option. There you go, you can then open it and see the invoice details more clearly as what you sent to your client before. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.